What's up, YouTube? John from J&J Auto Wrecking here with the test video for LPGM367. This is our 1993 GMC Sierra GT Geneva Conversion. Truck was involved in a rear end collision, ended up at the local salvage auction, and after taking one look at the interior, we had to purchase it. Lots of good parts on this thing. It's a very Radwood truck, as the youth would call it. I'm old enough that this is one of my first vehicles. Literally was my first vehicle. It was a 94. But this is what totaled it out. Very sad, took a pop to the rear and insurance said, not today, Junior. This entire 90s ground effect kit is going to be sold complete. There is a little bit of damage here, but it is what it is, guys. This should fit all 88 to 98 single cab trucks. You're literally going to get every single piece. We do not have the rear bumpers, the little winglets on it. Those were destroyed in the accident. This interior is immaculate, but we are going to go over that in just a second. 104,000 miles on the 350-700 R4 combo. We are going to be selling that as a dropout. Motor, transmission, ECU, belt-driven accessories, and harness. Running well. Go ahead and test out the transmission here. She does have a flat, so no burnouts. Ooh. Wow. That trans has got some work done to it. Wow. Yeah, that engage is real nice. I'm not a GM expert, but I've owned enough of these, and this 700 R4 just hits right away. Normally there's that good old wow. Yeah. That delay is not there on this one. This radio is going to be for sale. Let's go ahead and boot this bad boy up. Look at this EQ. Save money and get special. Yeah. If you guys are going to be buying this, you're going to get the control box here. There's a brain down here and the EQ and the tape deck. We're going to test all of that. Let me shut this off here. This entire interior is going to be sold complete, guys. If you've got a single cab GMT 400, I'm going to go over what all you're going to get here, but this is going to be the ultimate Radwood car show conversion. Take your old beat up work truck and make trucks great again, guys. Let's go with that. So literally what you're going to get is everything you see in here, the entire dash minus the speedometer and the radio components and the heater controls. You're going to get these seats here. I'm going to show you guys how these function with one hand. These are straight up minivan conversion van seats, guys, that the Geneva Customs has put on bases that fit the GMT 400. I know a lot of the work trucks don't come with this trim, so you're going to get all the headliner trim with it. This beautiful roof console. Let's go over that. Check this thing out. All the cubbies. If you were a person that had a business where you might need to hide some things, this would be the truck to get, man. What? I don't even know what that's for. Radar detector? That is sweet. The center console does need refinish, but it is freaking amazing, guys. Real wood, cassette holders there. You got trap doors for days. I think at some point in its life it must have had a radio here or something, but this is all Velcro. This is all just conversion van stuff. It's like a boat, guys. It's like a boat interior for your truck. I love this thing. Door panels are for a power truck. They've got these beautiful wildlife carvings into them there. The nice little geese flying over a Canadian pond. I'm just making things up. I think there's another wildlife scene on the glove box too. Let's go check this out. Oh, look at that. Nice little nature scene. And we've got one there. Whoever ordered this truck was really an outdoorsman, but they ordered a two-wheel drive. This makes no sense. Passenger seat is in good condition as well. Armrests work on both of these. Got the awesome Geneva Customs wood there. All of this wood is coming with it, guys. We're going to do a full dash clean out. Like I said, you're going to get the entire dash minus this, and this. You'll get the trim around it. You're just not getting the actual receiver itself. Door sills, you can get all of those, all the covers. This is going to be an entire interior clean out minus the column as well. So everything minus a bunch of stuff. That made a ton of sense, guys. Trying to see if there's anything else to go over on her here. We got a nice loaded front end on it. We are going to be selling this grille complete with the headlights, turn signals, side markers. I know they're not the nicest, but if you're looking for some period correct stuff, maybe you wanted to buff it out, this is going to be for you. Truck's got a nice OEM green hood on it too. Some bug deflector holes and just a little bit of wear from a bug deflector, but really, really solid. And now that you guys can hear over this motor, here is the TBI 350. Actually very, very clean. Looks like it's got an aftermarket exhaust on it of sorts. Like I said, guys, that transmission shifted very hard and very firm. Pretty confident that it's got some sort of a rebuild in it. I've owned a lot of these, and the 4L60E 700R4s always have that reverse delay when they're weak, and this one shifted instantly. I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. That is LPGM367. Sorry I rambled on. This truck really just gets me in all the feels right here. Love GMT 400s, guys. That's going to wrap it up. Coming up next, Cadillac XLR. Thanks for watching, guys. We're out.